What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If we have not yet met, my name is Johnny Nitafan, and in this video I'm going to be breaking down with you why 99% of life insurance agents fail, and I don't want you to be one of them. I make these videos because transparently I want to help you. There's so much misinformation out there. There's so many different people recruiting you, trying to get you into an opportunity, or even giving you advice that is going to make you fail. And I make these videos so you can make so much money. I really believe in building your life around your business and not the other way around. So I really coach and help agents scale their life insurance businesses without having to sacrifice friends, family, or even the people that they truly love, because transparently, like, I made that mistake myself and I don't want you to make that same mistake. So without further ado, let's just hop right in. Now there's 5 things that I'm going to be breaking down with you guys in this video that really help people and agents fail in this business. And there's a stat that's 92% of insurance agents fail, but the reality is 95 to 99% of people aren't even making money in the industry, let alone failing out of the industry. And I don't want you to be one of them. And I know you're watching this video because you want to grow. You don't want to be part of that 99%. You want to be part of the 1%. So it all starts with mindset. I was actually talking with an agent the other day that was actually really growing and really striving in this career and growing as a life insurance agent. And one thing that I determined and realized is that it doesn't take somebody to be skilled. It doesn't take somebody who's like excellent at sales or even marketing or anything, or even being a life insurance agent. It really comes down to the mindset and the relentless pursuit of self-development, consistently wanting to level up, wanting to grow, wanting to be better, like always looking at opportunities as learning lessons and experience so they can become a more valuable individual in the marketplace. Because honestly, the marketplace does not discriminate. It doesn't matter. As long as you're providing value to the marketplace, that's what they're going to pay you. So if you're not happy with the money that you're making right now, if you're feeling like you're stuck, if you're feeling like you're struggling, Jim Rohn always talks about the circumstances that you're in right now have been attracted by the person that you are. So if you're in debt, if you're struggling, if you're not where you want to be right now, it's because of you. So take ownership and take extreme accountability, because if you don't, you're going to be like the other 99% of the insurance agents that do fail. And I don't want you to be one of them. I want you to be part of the 1% that is making money, that is living financially free, that's able to create wealth and freedom through this business. And so if you have the relentless pursuit of self-development, if you're consistently having an abundance mindset, having a mindset that you can do it, that you're going to make it work, that you're going to be hungry, motivated, and not just in the motivated, but like creating habits that are going to serve you, that are going to allow you to grow and excel at the highest level. That's what really separates the 1% from the 99%. A lot of success in this business is by staying relentless in the pursuit of self-development, but also it comes down to tactical things that I want to share with you now. So the second thing that really helps people fail in the industry is that they don't have a script and they don't have a framework that they use to be able to take clients through. They don't keep their frame. Like, to be able to sell at a really high level and to be able to succeed in this industry, you have to be the expert. You have to really believe in the product and believe and have conviction that you can help and that you are helping. Because if you don't have conviction, if you don't have the belief in the product that it's actually helping the person, or if you're not really putting the person in the best position possible and really feeling good about what you're doing, you're going to fail and you're going to be part of the 99%. One thing that I've seen has really helped agents, but most importantly, like really helped myself, was having a script to be able to follow on a consistent basis. Because when I just first started, when I was a new life insurance agent, I had no clue what I was doing, and I had to have people in my life that were willing to help me get the basics down. And having a framework that I would take every client through in the sales process through really helped me be able to duplicate the success that I had. Because when I did have success, I was able to see exactly what made that positive and why that led to success, and it allowed me to double down on what actually worked, so that I just do that over and over and over and over again. And that allowed me to scale systematically and duplicatably, and also help other agents be able to see the success that I was able to have. So if you don't want to succeed in this business, don't follow a script and change it up every time that you talk to different prospects, and don't hold your frame, and don't be the expert. Like, don't be an expert. Don't spend time studying. Because the reason why I say these different things that you shouldn't do, or the things that make people fail, is because I think that the easiest way to backtrack into into success is looking at what would absolutely make you fail, what would help you make no money in the industry, and then be able to do the opposite and revert it of what will actually work. So if you don't want to make money, don't follow a script. Now, the next thing that I want to share with you is what a lot of people mess up on. I really hope this isn't you, and it's not having a lead source, or at least a good lead source. Now, here's what I mean. There's a lot of different leads that you can work. There's live transfers, there's telemarketed leads, there's pre-qualified callbacks, there's inbound TV leads, there's Facebook leads, there's self-generated leads, there's all these different leads types. I don't think any of them are necessarily wrong, but what's going to be best suited for your situation. Now, if you're wanting to go out in person, Facebook self-generated leads are probably not going to be for you. What's going to be better for you is having like a physical direct mail script, or direct mail piece that somebody actually filled out, and you actually go into their house, or getting people local in the area and working those types of leads. And probably not Facebook self-generated leads are going to be for you, but having a good lead source that you can have an abundance amount of leads that you are able to get them at low cost and high intent, especially for telesales. That's why I have been able to scale my life insurance business, is having a good lead source through Facebook self-generated leads. Having people who actually have intent in the product of buying life insurance, like that literally helped me. So if you don't want to succeed in this business, don't find a good lead source, and most importantly, continue just moving around and trying all these different leads. Like, just keep doing that, because that's what's going to help you fail in this industry. But for you, like, I know you want to succeed in this business, find a simple lead source that's duplicatable and that you can replicate the success over and over and over and over again. What else would help me like fail? I don't want you to fail, but like, this is why people fail in the industry. Next, they don't have a mentor. Like, if you want to fail in the industry, don't have a mentor. Don't have somebody that you can learn from their mistakes from. And what's cool about this business is when you find somebody that's done what you want to do, it's a copycat business. Copy and duplicate their success. If you don't want to be successful, don't invest in yourself. People who are successful are not afraid to pay for solutions. If I have a problem that I'm trying to solve, right? If I'm trying to get better leads, I'm hiring somebody, like the best person, to be able to generate leads, or at least somebody that's doing it right now at a high level and a successful level. And I firmly believe that, like myself, like I'm the best investment that I can put money into. I could put the money into like an S&P 500 and get an 8 to 10% return. But like for me, investing in a skill, I can invest $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 into a skill and make $300,000, $500,000 to $1 million a year, every single year on top of that. And so that's why I'm a huge believer that if you want to be successful, invest in yourself. And if you don't want to be successful, don't invest in yourself. Invest in what everybody else thinks that you should invest into that's not going to give you outsized returns. Now, the last thing that I would do if I wanted to fail in the life insurance industry, and that what most people do to fail in this industry, is they don't have a community of people. The best people, the 1% of people that actually see success in this industry over and over and over and over again, they all have a community of agents around them. So if you don't want to be successful, don't get a community. Don't get a group of people that you can surround yourself with. Like, just don't do it. But if you want to be part of the 1%, get a part of a community. Find like-minded people. If you want to go fast, go alone. But if you want to go far, go together. Find people who are like-minded like you, that want to grow, that want to scale, that want to like continue learning everything that they can do to be successful, and are on a journey and a path to be able to be successful. Like, do that. Like, go after that. Chase that consistently. So here's why most people fail. Like 99% of insurance agents fail. And if you want to be successful in this business, find a community, find a mentor, bet on yourself, invest into yourself, stick with the script, find a good lead source, and consistently develop yourself. And you wouldn't be watching this video right now if you don't believe in yourself, if you're not wanting to invest and grow in yourself. So thank you so much for watching. Subscribe down below and share this with a friend so that they don't fail in this business that you truly care about. Don't forget to comment down below what you took from this video, how it helped you, and how you're going to escape the matrix just like I have. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.